Hi friends, welcome to IT Code. In this session we are going to see about first value and last value analytic functions in SQL Server. This feature enabled from SQL Server version 2012 for enhancement of our overlay windowing functions. First value means returns the first value in an ordered set of values, and last value means returns the last value in an ordered set of values. And this is the syntax: first value with the scalar expression within the over, partition by class, order by class, and rows range. We can mention rows and range. And same for the last value: scalar expression within over class, partition by order by, and rows or range. Let us check with the simplest example for this first value and last value. See, employee sales. Here we fetched with employee ID and sales quantity from employee sales. Just check with one employee ID 1 order by year. This is the first employee, so here going to apply with first value of sales quantity over order by year. It's a first value. See, it returns a first value from the range in the set of values. So simply first value return the first value from the ordered list. Order by class is must. So it returns a first value from the ordered list. Here the first value is 1, so it will return the first value 1 for all rows in this fetch statements records. So like this we can fetch with last value. See, not like the first value, it returns different values for the each and every row, because SQL Server can takes this row. If this is a current row, engine will consider this is the last row while fetching this row. See, if this is the current row fetching from the table, consider last value based on this row. So this is the last row while fetching this row as a current row. For every row it will be the last row while fetching from this. That's why it returns a same value for every row. So first value return the first value from the ordered list, and last value return the last value from the ordered list. For each and every row, that is the engine will consider that is the last row. For each and every row while fetching, engine will consider this is the last row. So that is, it displays same value for that row. So if you want to get the last value like first value, that means we need first value getting the first row of the value, and we need to get the last value from the last row of the ordered values. How can we get from this? We can use rows between unbounded preceding and unbounded following. It will check all rows. So in our previous session we get checked with unbounded preceding and unbounded following. If you didn't check it, please go and check with our previous session. So by using this rows unbounded preceding and following, we can get the relevant data from the ordered list, that is first and last value. The result will be like, see, this is the first value from the ordered result set, and this is the last value from the ordered list. We can use this partition by remove the criteria where employee ID is equal to 1 and order by with employee ID, and here we are going to partition by employee ID. So it will return the range. See, this is the first value for this employee 2, and this is the last value for this employee 5. So by this method we can get the first value and last value by using this analytic functions with over class, within over by class. So this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.